Concur, verb, to agree, to express agreement or approval. To concur is like giving a thumbs up, indicating agreement or approval. Example: the board members concurred that the proposal was a sound investment and voted to approve it. Conjecture, noun, a guess or speculation based on incomplete information. A hypothesis. A conjecture is like a thought bubble, representing a hypothesis or speculation that requires further investigation. Example: the scientists' conjecture about the cause of the disease was based on limited data and needed to be tested further. Contentious, adjective, causing disagreement or controversy, characterized by argument or debate. A contentious issue is like two people arguing and speaking their minds, with each side trying to make their point. Example: the politicians' contentious remarks about immigration sparked a heated debate and divided public opinion. Conundrum, noun, a difficult or confusing problem, a puzzle or mystery. A conundrum is like a puzzle or a mystery that requires careful thought and analysis to solve. Example: the detective was stumped by the conundrum of the missing jewels and had to gather more evidence to crack the case. Copious, adjective, abundant, characterized by a large quantity or number. Copious amounts of something are like waves that keep coming and coming, indicating a large quantity or abundance. Example: the author's copious research on the history of the region helped to create a rich and detailed narrative. Corroborate, verb, to confirm or support with evidence, to make more certain or reliable. To corroborate something is like a detective collecting evidence and building a case to make it more certain or reliable. Example: the witness's testimony helped to corroborate the victim's account of the crime and strengthen the case against the suspect. Cryptic, adjective, mysterious, characterized by a hidden or obscure meaning. A cryptic message or clue is like a mystery that requires a detective's skill to decipher and uncover its hidden meaning. Example: the spy's cryptic message contained coded information that only a few people could understand. Cursory, adjective, superficial, characterized by a hasty and superficial treatment or examination. A cursory examination is like a quick jog past something, indicating a superficial or hasty treatment. Example: the doctor's cursory examination of the patient's symptoms led to a misdiagnosis and delayed treatment. Deft, adjective, skillful, characterized by skillful and nimble movements or actions. A deft performer is like someone who can put on different masks or roles with skill and ease. Example: the dancer's deft movements and precise footwork impressed the audience and earned a standing ovation. Demure, adjective, modest, characterized by shyness or reserve in behavior, speech, or dress. A demure person is like someone who speaks softly and avoids drawing attention to themselves, like a person who shushes others to keep quiet. Example: the actress's demure demeanor.